Hello, my name is Ines and I work as a client success manager at smec. Today, I would like to give you some insights into performance mecs for different verticals. Alright, let's get started. Today, I would like to provide you 2 best practice examples for performance mecs for different verticals. First, let's start with sports retailers. We would recommend for sports retailers to have the asset group structure based on different types of sports or sport brands. This way, you can also assign the different audience signals and listing groups perfectly. For example, you could have one asset group for soccer, one for running, one for hiking and outdoor, and one for skiing. What we would also recommend for sports retailers is to adapt the asset groups based on seasonality. For example, add one extra asset group for swimwear in summer, maybe add some extra images and videos for skiing in winter, and so on. Another thing that we can recommend is our PMax technology as a decisive success factor. By working with various clients from different industries, we can provide many successful user cases. If you want to have more information on that, just visit us on smarterecommerce.com or contact us via LinkedIn and Instagram. Okay, let's move on to our next use case. Google has established its own performance mecs campaign type just for the travel industry, which is called performance mecs for travel goals. It is made specifically for hotels. The campaign setup is a bit different compared to normal performance mecs setups. You select sales as a campaign goal, then you select performance mecs, and then under the question, what are you advertising, you would select hotels. The next thing is you don't need to upload a special feed, but you can select all your hotels via the Google Maps search. The most important thing is that they already have a business profile. Then you can select them here. Once you're done, we would recommend to save some time with automatic asset creation. So you just tick text assets and final URL, and then Google will do this work for you and create all your asset groups, and you just have to check them and maybe adapt some minor things. Finally, I would like to provide you 3 success factors for your performance mecs for travel goals campaigns. First, the data feed quality. The quality of the data feed depends on the quality of the underlying Google business profiles. So make sure those profiles are up to date, are of good quality, are correct. Secondly, the asset group quantity. Sometimes more is just more. Google can just learn better the more data is provided. And finally, especially for hotels, the image and video quality is really important, as hotels are a high touch and high experience service. If you want to know more about topics like these, please contact us via smarterecommerce.com or via LinkedIn, or reach out to us via Instagram. Thank you.